Doug, I can make you a coffee if you want. Don't resort to drinking that again. You know what it did to your brain last time.
Yeah. Hang on a second. Where's my red? Where's my red?
It's there.
No, that's not it, you fool. Red.
Well, you can't blame me for mistaking that this is what
red
you were
for
looking
red.
for. Well, that is red.
I know, that's the base colour I used.
You just said red.
This is red.
Well, if I was wearing red underwear, I could point to them and said they're here. Couldn't I? Could have said that.
Right, so I've just put some clear lacquer in the gun, and now I've just added the red.
Well,
and now I've got a gun that's so mowed up now with crap on the lid. I can't get the thing to shut.
Yes.
It'll leak all down my hand. There you
this
go.
is supposed to be how you do it. This is a video.
There you go. Look.
How not to do it.
Yes.
So listen.
I'm listening.
You've just shown me the guitar that was in the video the other week.
It was
that
red.
was red.
Yeah.
This isn't for Mark, is it?
Yes, it is.
Okay, yeah.
It's
Okay.
red. I'll tell you what happened, shall I?
Well, hang on a sec. So, okay, you keep talking. Yeah.
Okay.
I'll leave it to you, Doug, to explain what you're doing.
Okay. Right. There was a blemish in the finish, and I couldn't see it when I'd sprayed it until I came to flat it out a little bit.
Yeah.
Before I put the lacquer on. There was a blemish, so I sanded it out, and the only thing you can do once you've done that is to start again.
Where was the blemish? So
There.
So if you just recall, this was
It was.
you put 2 coats of clear,
Yeah.
then
white.
Then white.
base coat. Each sanded down,
Yeah.
and then gold,
gold,
and then red.
and then red, and then
See-through red. Red first. No, sorry,
Yeah.
red after the white, and then the gold, and then red.
so this is to get a metallic-y goldy sort of finish.
That's right. Yes.
So this red's putting on now.
Well, I'm just putting the lid on
Is it
that.
like sort of what's the word?
It's clear. It's in clear lacquer. It's a stain in clear lacquer.
Yeah,
It's
so
red stain.
it's not like 100% red colour. Yeah.
Yeah. And that's what I'm
Okay.
going to do now.
I'm trying to think of the word that is used for that. What's it called?
Stain.
No, opacity, like sort of as if you. I was working. If we were in Photoshop, we'd be looking at different levels of opacity.
Yeah.
Okay.
Shut this down.
Where's my mask?
You don't get one. It's only cellulose. It's a slow death.
Okay. I'll enjoy dying of it then.
Okay. You can sue me when you're dead.
I'm starting to lose the ability to see.
Yeah. Red coming all down my hand, but
I'll have red coming out of my eye sockets in a minute.
yes, I should move from there now.
Yeah. Do you want me to go 6 inches back?
No, that's it. I'm done.
Well,
That's the first coat done. What I shall do next is I have to do 2 more coats. Are very fine, as you can see. It's very fine,
yeah.
and then it'll be lacquered today.
So two more of that. Let that dry. Sandy. 2 more. Sandy. Clear
then
lacquer.
lacquer.
Yeah. Buff it. Polish, buff, polish, buff, polish, buff, polish.
Yeah, it's a lot of fucking about, isn't it, for Toms?
Yeah. Right then, okay. I'll leave it right there. So I think that is ideally the time to end this video. So thank you very much, Doug.
See you in a bit.
Yeah, don't
Fuck
move.
off.
Stay still.
Well, you just fuck
Stop
off.
being a prick.
I'm trying to get past you so we can do some work. You fuck off.